So right now we just harvested a bunch of these tomatoes. They're all green right now, as you guys can see. So basically the reason that we're harvesting them now that they're green is because here in the greenhouse they don't get a lot of like actual direct sun exposure, so it's hard for them to ripen in here. So babe, tell us, how do you know when they're ready to pick? Oh, and Nate's going to show you an example right here of, this is the tomatoes that we have ripened ourselves. So like we pick these and then we ripen them using a few methods. Nate has done like methods where you let them all sit in a bowl in the sun, or put them in a brown bag, a brown paper bag with a banana.
The question was,
and sorry, oh, and look at those more red ones. The question was, how do you know when they're ready to be harvested, since we're not waiting for them to get red?
I feel like there's a little squish to them, and I could just feel it in my gardener's gut that if I've seen them here for a while, I'm like, okay, you telling me you need to go. And so far it's been pretty successful with getting them ripened using the banana method, or just leaving them out in the sunlight and letting them ripen out in the sun, where this one was green just a couple days ago, and you can already see starting to stripen out and turn red. And this one's all nice and soft, and the flavor is still amazing, just like if they were to ripen on the vine.
So much better than store-bought.
Yeah, it tastes so flavorful, so cheesy, so tomatoey. Yep. We're gonna take these back to the house, put them in a bowl after we wash them off, and let them sit in the sun, and we will have tomatoes on tomatoes.
We can't wait to eat them all, make some tomato sauce, maybe even some dehydrated tomatoes. Who knows? The options are endless.
So that's it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep following. We appreciate your support, and